English Estonian. Learn, go, equals.
minema,
Fast verb booster. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your supercharged path to language fun. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today we'll master the Estonian verb, to go.
minema,
With clear forms, jokes, and quick drills. Ready? Strap in and smile. Your goal today.
minema,
Made easy. By the end, do can say who goes where, smoothly and confidently. Infinitive. To go equals.
minema,
I go equals.
ma lähen,
You go, singular, friendly, equals.
sa lähed,
He goes equals.
ta läheb,
She goes equals.
ta läheb,
We go equals.
me läheme,
You go, plural, formal, equals.
te lähete,
They go equals.
nad lähevad,
Bonus mood check. So equals.
nii ja naa,
Laugh and learn dialogue. A tiny scene to lock it in. Listen and repeat aloud, do. A. Doors open, shall we go? B. Yup, I say, I go.
ma lähen,
A. Talking to you, I'd say.
sa lähed,
B. Compliment accepted. A. He forgot his phone, he goes back.
ta läheb,
Back. B. And she? She goes now.
ta läheb,
Now. A. Team time, we go.
me läheme,
B. To the rest. You go, plural.
te lähete,
A. Look, the group is moving, they go.
nad lähevad,
B. How's your energy?
nii ja naa,
So. Forms you'll use, call and response. Chant it with me, do leads the beat. I go.
ma lähen,
You go, sing.
sa lähed,
He goes.
ta läheb,
She goes.
ta läheb,
We go.
me läheme,
You go, plural.
te lähete,
They go.
nad lähevad,
To go, base form.
minema,
Rhythm drill. Step and say. March in place, one word per step. Keep it playful. Step 1.
ma lähen,
I go. Step 2.
sa lähed,
You go, sing. Step 3.
ta läheb,
He, she goes. Step 4.
me läheme,
We go. Step 5.
te lähete,
You go, plural. Step 6.
nad lähevad,
They go. Bonus breath. So mood equals.
nii ja naa,
Culture tip. Small talk superpower. In Estonia, you'll hear a lot of simple, honest answers. Use this like a local. If someone asks, how's it going? You can keep it real with, so.
nii ja naa,
It's short, friendly, and very Estonian. Mini quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud. I'll give you the solution after a beat. Q1. Say, we go, in Estonian. A.
me läheme,
Q2. Say, they go. A.
nad lähevad,
Q3. What's the infinitive, to go? A.
minema,
Q4. Your day is so, what do you say? A.
nii ja naa.
Q5. Talk directly to one friend, you go. A.
Sa lähed.
Challenge round. Quick fire. Do, try these speedy prompts. Say the Estonian out loud, then hear the model. Prompt. I go now. Model.
Ma lähen.
Nude. Prompt. You, sing, go first. Model.
Sa lähed.
Isamasina. Prompt. He goes home. Model.
Ta läheb.
Koju. Prompt. She goes by bus. Model.
Ta läheb.
Bussiga. Prompt. We go together. Model.
Me läheme.
Kus. Prompt. You, plural, go left. Model.
Te lähete.
Vasikule. Prompt. They go to the park. Model.
Nad lähevad.
Parky. Victory whisper. To go equals.
Minema.
Mood check equals.
Nii ja naa.
Outro. High five from Synapse Lingo. Nice work, do. You just leveled up your Estonian verbs. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Minema.
And all the forms.
Ma lähen. Sa lähed. Ta läheb. Me läheme. Te lähete. Nad lähevad.
And keep it honest with.
Nii ja naa.
When needed. For more lessons, games, and bonus drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, do rockst.